you go to some events and they put on one or two little shows and things happening around, but there's a lot of dead time. So my thinking was, we'll go 120%. So there's something happening all the time, and we didn't really care if it clashed. And that was the start of it. And then obviously when you get the people who are really passionate about what they do, getting them to stop doing what they're doing is the thing. So we don't. We let them do it. We let them do it for as long as they want. So, you know, you might have 3 or 4 or probably even a dozen things happening all at once. So it's when people come and they go, well, what is Ironfest? We go, well, you know, it doesn't, we have 1 or 2 stages, but really we have 50 things happening all at once. And people go, they find their way through and they have a unique experience.